Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to use the COUNTA function in Google Sheet. The COUNTA function is used to count non-empty cells. That means it counts both text and numbers. Here I have a list of names and some empty cells. To count how many cells are not empty, we will use the COUNTA function. Click on an empty cell and type this formula. Then press enter. Google Sheet will show the number of cells in that range that are not empty. It includes names, numbers, dates, anything that is filled. And that's how you use the COUNTA function in Google Sheet. It's great for quickly knowing how many entries are filled in a column. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more Google Sheet tips. Thanks for watching.